Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday. We have, unfortunately, more critical fire weather that's in the forecast for today because temperatures will be on the hotter side and fuels are also going to be pretty dry today on the west side. And we have lightning in the forecast. So that combination will contribute to critical fire weather for today, mainly on the west side. We do have a red flag warning that's in place for Curry County and Josephine County and western Siskiyou County. It runs from 5 p.m. this evening to 8 in the morning on Friday. Although I must say that the fuels are looking much drier in inland Curry County and Josephine County as opposed to western Siskiyou County. So that is something that I'll show you the numbers to back that up coming up a little bit later in the show. But let's go ahead and look at some of the lightning that we'll have in the forecast, or at least some of the showers and thunderstorms. And, subsequently from that, we would have lightning. But we'll stop this right around 5 p.m. And you can see two different areas of showers and thunderstorms popping up. Okay, area number one, that would be in Klamath and Lake counties. Then area number two, that would be on the west side. So both of those areas will kind of stream from the southeast up towards the north and northwest. So by the time we're talking about midnight, overnight, and then of course as we head into Friday, there's going to be two different areas we're still going to be tracking. And it looks like maybe right down the middle we could keep things dry. And then most of that will either fizzle out or move out of the area before you wake up tomorrow morning. So that's one aspect to the forecast. Here's the other aspect, the smoke. It is going to be very bad for today, especially if this model run pans out, because we have mid to low level winds that are flowing from the southwest up towards the northeast. And so that means a lot of this thick smoke from the Smith River complex, and also in some ways from the Happy Camp complex, but all of that could drift from the southwest up towards the northeast. So that would put that right into the Rogue Valley. And then also we could have some pretty thick smoke getting into the Klamath Basin and then into the Shasta Valley and portions of eastern Siskiyou County. And then the cycle for tomorrow is essentially the same. So we could have some very bad air quality over the next 48 hours in places like Cave Junction and Medford and Ashland and Wairika and Klamath Falls. And I don't know why the Oregon DEQ did not extend that air quality advisory. So we'll see if they decide to change their minds on that. So for today, dealing with the smoke, dealing with the thunderstorms. Also, it's going to be a little bit on the hotter side as we'll have high temperatures about 5 degrees above average for this time of the year. And then for tonight, pretty widespread smoke like you saw in Stormcast, and then two different areas of showers and thunderstorms. Overnight lows will be pretty similar to what we had for this morning. And temperatures aren't really going to do anything that significant over the next 7 days. Yes, we will feel a little bit cooler and perhaps even a little bit more fall-like in a Tuesday and Wednesday, but all in all, temperatures not doing anything too extreme. We'll continue to have very small ticky-tack shower and thunderstorm chances through Tuesday. Also, nothing that's going to be too widespread. But of course, anytime there's lightning in the forecast this time of the year, we're obviously concerned about it, especially to the west of the Cascades where the fuels are just so dry. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Small chance for showers and thunderstorms today, and then maybe some of that lingering into Friday. And then we'll have additional chances for additional chances for rainfall into Saturday and Sunday. For Siskiyou County, small chance of a shower or thunderstorm today, mainly in western Siskiyou County. And then, of course, the smoke is going to be very bad over the next 48 hours. We'll see worse smoke in the Klamath Basin, but we'll see the best chance for thunderstorms in the Great Basin. So kind of a tell of two basins to the east of the Cascades. Then for the mountains, we'll be tracking kind of the worst of both worlds. Some thunderstorm chances, also some pretty tough smoke, and the smoke getting very bad in the Illinois, Applegate, and Rogue Valleys over the next 48 hours.
All right, thank you, Josh. I think we're starting to see the decline in temperatures, which is, us starting to go into fall, which I'm looking forward to.
Yes, and that's kind of universal balance coming back in order, because once temperatures start falling, then fuels start to get a little bit more relief. That means that maybe the atmosphere could eke out a little bit more rain. That would help us out even more. That would help us out with the smoke. Man, we need some cooler temperatures and fast.
That is very true. All right. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.
Appreciate it.